Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn off the display on top of your TCL air conditioner for a darker and more comfortable room at night. So first of all, you need to switch on your TCL air conditioner using the remote control. Then the display should be visible on the indoor unit. So in order to basically turn it off, you just have to simply try to find the display and the eco button available. So on some of the remotes, it will be with the name LED or light. So if that is, you just have to press that. On some of the models, the option is located under the health/clean button or the extra functions menu instead of having its own button. But for this particular remote, we have this eco/display button available. So you need to simply press it once. Now, if your remote uses the extra function, you just have to press the extra function. And similarly, you just have to press the LED button. And then when you basically pressed this particular button, you will see that the light is basically turned off. So that's how you can basically use this particular feature. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.